This is the house of John, and he was invited by Jenny, whose house is 300 meters away from John, and it is towards east direction. John planned to give her a gift and flower, and so he searched for a shop. Shop was in the opposite direction. It is towards west at the distance of 100 meters from John's house. And he took some flour and a gift from the shop, and he then returned back and gone to Jenny's house, and he gifted it to Jenny's house, traveling 400 meters from shop to the Jenny. Now question is, how far Mr. John traveled? There's one question. Another question is, how far and in which direction John traveled? Both the questions seems to be similar, but there is a little difference. In first question, how long Mr. John traveled is told. But in second case, the direction is also asked. That's why if someone asks you how far Mr. John traveled, then you can say that he traveled 500 meters. And 500 is a number, meter is its unit. And both this number and this unit represents magnitude, and this is the magnitude of what? Distance. That's why we can say that total distance covered by Mr. John is 500 meters, and this is the length of the path which he covered, and we can say this is distance. But the distance between John's house and Jenny's house is just 300 meters, and it is towards east. And here 300 and meter represents magnitude and east represents direction. If we say the distance between John's house and Jenny's house is 300 meter east, then we are saying magnitude and direction both. In this case, it becomes displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between two position, initial and final position of the body. Okay, this is the difference between distance and displacement. One has magnitude only, another has magnitude and direction. Now we can define distance and displacement this way. Distance, the total length of the path is known as distance. Total length of the path means it does not include direction, whether the path turns or not, whether the path is straight or not, it doesn't make any difference. Distance doesn't say direction. It is the length of the path covered by the body. But displacement, distance covered by a body in a definite direction, or the shortest distance between the initial and final position of the body is known as the displacement of that body. That's why displacement has got both the magnitude and direction, so it is a vector quantity, but distance has got only magnitude and it is a scalar quantity. Okay, this much for today.